Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In today's 2-minute tip, we're going to look at the alias command, a tool that can save you a lot of time and trouble and maybe even a few brain cells. What alias does is allow you to take a command, maybe a very complicated one, or one that you use a lot, and give it another name, one that's easier to remember or just saves you a lot of typing. To create an alias, all you have to do is type the word alias, followed by the name you want to give the alias, an equal sign, and then the command that you want it to represent. So with this simple alias, I am now able to just type one letter and clear my screen. If I want to look at recent logins and want to do that often enough, I might create an alias like this. Then I type in just 3 letters, and I see the last 3 times that I've logged in. I can list all of my aliases simply by typing the word alias. You can see that some of these are fairly complex and some are ones that I've just entered. At any time in a terminal window, you can create an alias and use it right away. But if you want the alias to be available every time you log in, you need to add it to your profile or bash RC file. So I'll look at the bottom of my .bash RC file, and you'll see some aliases that have been defined. Well, that's your 2-minute Linux tip for today. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.